I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and we just got back from Walmart. And if you remember, I think it was last week, I told you that they had some Barbies I wanted, and I said, I'm not buying any more Barbies. You can see this peeking out and see that, well, I did. But not the ones I was looking at. The 28-inch, you're gonna not believe it when I tell you this, I did not buy, because I knew I would buy it, I would take it upstairs, I'd put it in my closet, and that's where it would stay. $14.02. I know, but it's $14.02. And they also had the number 5, and I think, what's the other girl's number? I can't think. They had 2 or 3 of the first series of Barbie Extra, and they still had 3 number 5s, which is the one I want. They were 1867, they were 62, something like that. But I said if they get to 15 or below. I know that's close, but I have to stop. I have to set those red lines and live in them. Can you hear my cameraman laughing? So then I went around the corner and they had these, and I do like this doll. I love that hair. Do not like her dress is okay, but I don't know, it needs to be shorter with a pair of jeans or something, but I love the little cowboy boots. And she was $3.33. I figured, I've been doing, oh my goodness, I have been so busy getting Happy Meals together. I've been sewing for Happy Meals and working on stuff. So I thought, you know, these would be really cute for Happy Meals. Somebody would love to get that. And then they had these hats, caps, for 50 cents a piece. How cute is that going to be for sweaters for my dolls? And these are like, I don't know, like cotton knit. I really like them, and yet very stretchy. And I've not seen these colors or types before, so I got those. You'd think I'd get them for my head, but no, I get them for doll clothes. And then they had these hair clips that either I can use or, you know, Blythe. It always comes back to Blythe. And you know how I'm always screaming about the flat-footed Barbie. This little set was $1.24. It was worth it for the shoes. My little flat-footed Barbie needs something besides the same white tennis shoes all the time. So we came home. Yeah, I'm not getting any more dolls. We came home and got the mail, and I had ordered these a while back, or I think that's what it is. So I thought I'd just do an opening while we were at it. Big haul. I ordered these a while back. They are, I think, oh wait, almost threw something down on the floor. There we go. Something else. I've been doing a lot of collabs, particularly on this line with Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Polly. And we have been turning Blythe dolls into characters. And once our dolls become those characters, they've kind of been staying there because we're working on so many different, and we keep showing our others, which is fine. And they're so stinking cute when we finished them. I mean, really, I can barely keep up with Tammy. She is such a seamstress, and she pushes me forward, and I absolutely love that. But anyway, I needed, actually Tammy ordered some too, different Blythe dolls. But we needed some Blythe dolls for that, and they happened to be on sale. These weren't. And so, I am guessing that's what I'm getting here. So these are, oh, I hate to cut that. Let me take an extra minute of your time pulling my bubble wrap, doing the responsible thing for the environment. Actually, almost got some, did I get hit? What the heck is that? Oh, okay. I thought I had hair, and then it looked like a wig, and then it looked like a, what do you call it? You know how they put hair together? I can't think of the word. I'm old. Anyway, So oh wow, these are different. I ordered some less expensive Blythe dolls because I'm going to be plan to do, we'll see how it goes, a little bit of face-ups, and I knew we had some upcoming characters coming, and Tammy and I are really enjoying making the different characters, and so I thought, why not get them? Oh, there's a rubber band there, I want to pull that out. I really do reuse everything. Well, there's her face. Cousin It. They have really changed these since I bought them last time. These dolls were they less than $10 or just at $10?
I don't remember.
I think they're like, I think they're right at $10. But the lips are brighter. They actually have eyeshadow. I do change out their eyelashes. I've been doing that. Let's see about their eye colors. I don't know. Who thought pink was a good idea? That was a 1972 thing with the original Blythe. Okay, let's see what we got. Ooh, I love that stunning green. Blue and minty blue and I don't know, pinkish orange. So we'll leave that like that for right now. But we have some ideas, and some of these are already planned. Believe it or not, we already have some characters planned. Besides the Maleficent and Cruella. Oh yeah, this one has, that's a different color, isn't it? No, I don't know. This one's more blue or, I don't know, it's like a purpley, what do they call that, periwinkle?
Yep.
Let's try her eyes. Wow, that's some nice eyes. Boom, boom, boom. Wow. Terrible eyelashes, but I'm okay with that. These particular Blythe dolls can also wear the Barbie shoes. They have the little high-heeled, I don't know what you call it, just little feet that wear the old-fashioned Barbie shoes, and I have a lot of those.
Fashion feet.
Fashion feet, fashion doll feet, there you go. Oh, I love this one. They've changed this one too. It used to be a soft pink, and I did not buy one, and kind of glad. Ooh, I got hot pink. And their bangs are longer. Again, got the makeup. Let's check the eyes. Okay, so this one doesn't have a character, but I wanted the pink hair. Let's just say it. No, I started to say her hips were loose, but they're not. They just bend easily, but they are certainly not loose.
Now, do these have bendable knees?
No, I was going to say that. They just have the five-point articulation. Isn't she cute? Oh, look at that. I thought it was brown. It's kind of a coppery brown. Ooh, I like her. Ooh, I like her a lot. And her eyeshadow is very soft. And look at her lips are lighter. Okay, cool. Her face, I don't know, her face seems shorter and fatter, doesn't it? Or something. Maybe it's just the hair. I don't know, but I love her hair. Ooh, and this is nice hair too. And then there's another girl with the ruby red lips. There's an auctioneer song about ruby red lips that I always think of when I hear that. All right, let's try her. Oh, now look how, oh wow, her head is very tight. It's a little, what do I want to say, cheaper plastic? Or not, I'm maybe not. They have the 5'6" actually. Their arms go up and out, and their waists turn, which is pretty cool, and their heads turn. These are more upright than some of my other ones like this type. I like these dolls. I like them a lot. I have several of this style Blythe. They have a smaller body, so the clothes do fit a little different, and I don't mind that at all. Yeah, eyes are clicking well. Wow. What a pretty little doll. I like her. I like her a lot. So there you go. I'm not buying any more dolls, but look what I got today. Actually, like I said, I ordered those not that long ago. I will say that I've gotten 3 orders from AliExpress pretty quickly. Cannot complain. But I never get a free gift. Everybody else opens up, oh, here's my free gift.
One time.
Yeah, one time, I think. Oh, and these are Darren's. Look what Darren got today. Bicycle gloves. We get them bigger because your hands swell in the summertime, especially when you're out working out. So we get them extra large. So that's what I got today in my Walmart and mailbox. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Tell me, would you have bought those Barbies? I mean, I know. Darren says, well, what if it's not here next time? I said, well, then I don't get it. I gotta stick to my guns.